Want to make your MacBook Neo desktop truly yours? Let's dive into how to add, customize, and remove widgets so your workspace looks and works exactly the way you like. When you first set up your MacBook Neo, you'll see three default widgets: Calendar, Weather, and Photos. To edit an existing widget, simply right-click on it. Depending on the widget, you can change its size, reposition it, or even remove it if you don't need it. If you want to add more widgets, right-click on the home screen and select Edit Widgets. You can also click on the notification panel and choose Edit Widgets from there. You'll see different widget categories, each with multiple styles. You can either drag and drop a widget to your desktop or just hit the plus sign to add it. Once it's on your screen, you can customize it, resize it, or reposition it to fit perfectly with your MacBook Neo desktop layout. That's it. With just a few clicks, your widgets are set up exactly the way you want: useful, organized, and personalized.